EXPI World Holdings Stock Analysis. General Overview and Trend. EXP World Holdings has shown significant volatility over the past 3 months, starting from 888 and closing at 1129 on September 5. The stock reached a peak of 11.6 on the last trading day, suggesting that it may be in the process of testing higher levels. The overall trend appears to be moderately bullish, as the stock is currently trading above its starting point and has been making higher highs and higher lows in recent weeks. The price action suggests a gradual upward trend with increasing momentum in recent sessions. Price volume. Volume patterns reveal several spikes in trading activity, particularly on June 20th, when over 27 million shares were traded. The high-volume days often coincided with significant price movements, suggesting that institutional interest has been present at key levels. In recent sessions, volume has decreased to around 442.041 shares on September 5th, indicating reduced participation as the price consolidates. The price-volume relationship shows that upward moves have generally been accompanied by higher volume, confirming the bullish bias, while downward moves have often occurred on lower volume, suggesting lack of strong selling pressure. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. The short-term moving averages, SMA 5 at 10,864, and EMA 5 at 10,949 are positioned below the current price, indicating recent bullish momentum. The medium-term averages, SMA 20 at 10,538 and EMA 20 at 10,615, are also below the current price, supporting the intermediate-term uptrend. The longer-term averages, SMA 200 at 10,336 and EMA 200 at 10,423, are below the current price, suggesting a long-term bullish trend. The EMAs are generally positioned above their corresponding SMAs, indicating underlying strength in the trend. Technical indicators. The technical indicators present a moderately bullish picture for EXPI. The VWAP at 10,278.6 is below the current price, indicating that the stock is trading above its average price for the period, which is typically bullish. The positioning of EMAs above SMAs across multiple timeframes suggests sustained buying pressure. The price trading above most key moving averages indicates underlying strength. The moderate distance between shorter and longer-term moving averages suggests steady momentum that has been increasing in recent sessions. Linear regression. The linear regression trend for EXPI shows a gradual upward trajectory over the 3-month period. The slope of the regression line is positive and has been steepening in recent weeks, indicating strengthening bullish momentum. The current price is trading above the regression line, suggesting that the stock is performing better than its statistical trend. The standard deviation bands around the regression line show moderate volatility, with the price staying within normal bounds for most of the period but approaching the upper band in recent sessions. Opening price prediction for the next trading day. Based on the current technical indicators and price action, the opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 11.35 to 11.45. This prediction considers the recent closing price of 11.29, the bullish momentum indicated by the EMAs, and the overall upward trend. The slight gap up would be consistent with the recent price behavior and the current positioning of the moving averages. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels are identified at 1160 recent high, 1200 psychological level, and 1250 previous high. Support levels are found at 1100, recent low, 1050, psychological level, and 1000, previous consolidation area. The current price of 1129 is positioned between the immediate support and resistance levels, suggesting a neutral short-term stance within the larger bullish trend. The distance to the nearest resistance at 1160 is approximately 2.7%, while the distance to the nearest support at 1100 is about 2.5%. This balanced positioning suggests that the stock is in a consolidation phase near recent highs, potentially preparing for a breakout. Intraday ATR 14 values and potential high-low values. The ATR 14 value indicates moderate volatility in EXPI, with an average daily range of approximately 0.40 to 0.50. Based on this, the potential high for the next trading day could be around 1179, current close plus ATR, while the potential low could be around 1079, current close minus ATR. This moderate range reflects the stock's relatively stable nature and suggests that intraday traders should expect normal price fluctuations. Possible scenarios. In a bullish scenario, EXPI could break above the 1160 resistance level and target the 1200 psychological level, with further upside potential toward the 1250 previous high. This scenario would likely be accompanied by increasing volume and confirmation from technical indicators. In a bearish scenario, the stock could fail to break above 1160 and reverse lower, potentially breaking below the 1100 support level and targeting the 1050 psychological level. A neutral scenario would involve continued consolidation between 1100 and 1160 as the market awaits a catalyst for the next directional move. Conclusion. EXP World Holdings has demonstrated a moderate bullish trend over the past 3 months, with steady price appreciation and generally increasing volume during upward moves. The technical indicators support the bullish outlook, with the stock trading above key moving averages and showing signs of strengthening momentum in recent sessions. The stock appears to be in a consolidation phase near recent highs, potentially building energy for another leg up. Traders should watch for a decisive break above 1160 as a signal for renewed upside momentum, while a break below 1100 would indicate increasing bearish pressure. Given the stock's solid technical foundation and positive trend, it may continue to attract investor interest as long as market conditions remain favorable.